हेलो, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल त्रिशा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बायोलॉजी। मैं डॉक्टर आशीष पंचाल, योर बायोलॉजी नेट गुरु, आज आपके साथ एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आ रहा हूँ। वो है हेमेटोपोएसिस एंड द एरिथ्रोपोएसिस। सो बेटा, व्हाट इज हेमेटोपोएसिस एंड व्हाट इज एरिथ्रोपोएसिस? तो पहले हम बात करते हैं हेमेटोपोएसिस। Hematopoiesis. So in hematopoiesis means it's a origin, development and maturation of the all type of blood cells. Okay, so it is the origin, development and maturation of all type of blood cells. All type of blood cells means it's a origin, development and maturation of the all type of the blood cells, means WBC, RBC and the platelet. Now what is erythropoiesis? So erythropoiesis, it's the only origin, development and maturation of the RBC. So the second term is erythropoiesis. So in erythropoiesis, it's a origin, development and maturation of origin, development and maturation of RBC, that is red blood cell. So in the erythropoiesis is the origin, development and maturation of the RBC only. Now the development of RBC or a formation of RBC is known as the erythropoiesis. Now in the foetal stage or the foetal life, now in foetal life, the RBC synthesized in a 3-stage. RBC synthesize in 3-stage. So in the fetus life, the RBC gets synthesized in how many stage? So it is in a 3-stage. Now which 3 stage are there? So first one is the mesoblastic stage, and in mesoblastic stage it's a first trimester or the first 2 month. In first 2 months the RBC is synthesizing from the yolk sac. In fetus, for first 2 months of uterine life, first 2 months of uterine life, the RBC synthesize from yolk sac. So beta, in the mesoblastic stage, the first 2 months of the uterine stage means when the baby is 2 months old in the mother womb. Okay, actually it is called the embryo. At that time the RBC is synthesized from the yolk sac. The second one is the hepatic stage. During the second trimester, during second trimester of pregnancy, the RBC gets synthesized in liver, spleen and some lymphoid organ. Some lymphoid organ. So hepatic stage, so during the second trimester the RBC gets synthesized in the liver, spleen and the some lymphoid organ, and the third stage is the myeloid stage. So in the myeloid stage, it's the third trimester of the pregnancy in the or during the third trimester of pregnancy, RBC synthesize in bone marrow, particularly red bone marrow. Red bone marrow and liver. Okay, so in the third trimester, the RBC gets synthesized in the red bone marrow and in the liver. So erythropoiesis, it's the origin, development and maturation of RBC. Okay, now in foetal life, the RBC gets synthesized in a 3 stage: mesoblastic stage from the yolk sac, hepatic stage from liver, spleen and lymphoid organ, and myeloid stage, that is from the red bone marrow and from the liver. The RBC gets synthesized after the birth. After birth, up to 20 years, up to 20 years, the RBC synthesize from red bone marrow of all bones, that is long bone, long and the flat bones. So up to 20 years means जब भी बेटा एज 20 तक होती है तब तक RBC synthesized from the red bone marrow of all bones, but after 20 years the RBC synthesized from the red bone marrow of vertebrae, sternum, ribs, scapula, skull and end of long bone. Means after 20 years the RBC is synthesized in the red bone marrow of various or the specific bone like vertebrate, sternum, ribs, scapula, skull and the end of the long bone. Okay, now actually the 75% of the red bone marrow synthesize the WBC and only 25% of the red bone marrow synthesize the RBC. Okay, almost 75% of RBM, that is red bone marrow, synthesize leukocytes and only 25% of RBM synthesize the RBC. So look at here, the 75% synthesize the leukocytes and only 25% of RBM red bone marrow synthesize the RBC beta. Okay, so this is the just brief about the एरिथ्रोपोइसिस. फॉइटल लाइफ में आरबीसी कैसे सिंथेसाइज होते हैं और आफ्टर बर्थ आरबीसी कैसे सिंथेसाइज होते हैं, कहां से होते हैं. नाउ द प्रोसेस ऑफ आरबीसी फॉर्मेशन. नाउ द प्रोसेस ऑफ RBC formation. So when the RBC get destruct or a kidney cell deprived the oxygen. Now when RBC get destruct and kidney cell deprived the oxygen, means when the RBC get destruct, RBC destruct हो जाते हैं and the kidney cell deprived the oxygen, kidney cell को ऑक्सीजन कम मिलता है. At the same time the juxtaglomerular cell of kidney release the erythropoietin. The kidney cell release the erythropoietin. So now at the same time the juxtaglomerular cell of kidney release the erythropoietin. Okay, the juxtaglomerular cell release the erythropoietin. Now with the help of this erythropoietin, folic acid, vitamin B12 and amino acid, okay, the hemocytoblast of red bone marrow synthesize the RBC. Now with the help of this erythropoietin, with the help of erythropoietin, amino acid, folic acid and vitamin B12, with the help of erythropoietin, amino acid, folic acid and vitamin B12, the hemocytoblast of red bone marrow synthesize the RBC. Hemocytoblast cell of RBM, red bone marrow, synthesize the RBC. Okay, so hemocytoblast of red bone marrow synthesize the RBC. Now how it will synthesize the RBC, तो उसके लिए मैं बेटा एक टेबल बनाता हूं कि फर्स्ट इज द the name of cell, then second one is the size of cell, and third one is the description. So look at here beta, different types of the cell is formed. वो सेल कैसे साइज डिफॉर्म कैसे होता है उसका और क्या चेंजेस होते हैं सेल में. सो पहले होता है हीमोसाइटोब्लास्ट. तो साइज ऑफ द हीमोसाइटोब्लास्ट इज 19 to 23 micrometer. The size of the hemocytoblast is 19 to 23 micrometer. At the same time, the hemocytoblast is nucleated cell. It is nucleated, so it possesses nucleus and all other organelles and devoid of hemoglobin. hemoglobin नहीं होगा बेटा उसमें, सिर्फ क्या होगा, न्यूक्लियस होगा and all other organelles are present. Now with the help of erythropoietin, now यहां पर बेटा मैं एरो करके दिखा रहा हूं, with the help of erythropoietin, this hemocytoblast is converted into megaloblast. Hemocytoblast is converted into megaloblast. So now here it is megaloblast, and this megaloblast, the size is 14 to 18 micrometer. At that time the ribosome is synthesized. At that time the ribosome is synthesized, ribozyme synthesize होंगे, okay, and this ribosome help in formation of हीमोग्लोबिन. वो राइबोसोम क्या करेंगे बेटा? राइबोसोम इज द फैक्ट्री ऑफ प्रोटीन. तो वो क्या करेंगे? प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, हीमोग्लोबिन का सिंथेसिस करने में हेल्प करेंगे. फिर उसके बाद with the help of vitamin B12, with the help of vitamin B12, this megaloblast is converted into erythroblast. Megaloblast is converted into erythroblast and the size is 11 to 14 micrometer. At that time what happened? The hemoglobin synthesis is increased and the size of the cell is decreased. Why? Because most of the organelles are ejected from the एरिथ्रोब्लास्ट. एरिथ्रोब्लास्ट में से सारे जो इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गेनल्स होंगे लाइक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, गोल्गी बॉडी, लाइसोसोम्स, वो सारे ऑर्गेनल्स बाहर निकलना स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके बेटा. सो नाउ दिस एरिथ्रोसाइट with the help of vitamin B12, megaloblast is converted into erythrocyte and the size of erythrocyte is decreased to 11 to 14 micrometer, and here the ribosome synthesize more HB and decrease the mitochondria and other organelles. Mitochondria और other organelles क्या होंगे? कम होंगे. So ribosome synthesize the hemoglobin, mitochondria and other organelles will be decreased and the size of the cell is decreased. Now this erythrocytes, erythroblast, with the help of folic acid, okay, and amino acid, it is converted into normoblast and the size of normoblast is 10 to 13 micrometer. यहां पर भी क्या होगा? The HB formation is increased and the nucleus and everything will divide, और वो बेटा धीरे धीरे वो कम होता जाएगा. So here the HB formation is increased and the size will be decrease. Size धीरे धीरे कम होता जाएगा. And last, now this normoblast convert into the reticulocyte with the help of iron, and the size of reticulocyte is 7 to 9 micrometer and it is exact similar as RBC, because this normoblast convert into reticulocyte and this reticulocyte occupied by the hemoglobin. They do not possess the nucleus, they devoid of nucleus and other organelles, and it is similar as RBC but in the bone marrow. कहाँ पर होगा वो? bone marrow में होगा, इसीलिए उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? रेटिकुलोसाइट्स. एंड नाउ फ्रॉम दिस दे आर माइग्रेटेड इनटू ब्लड. वो कहाँ चला जाएगा? ब्लड में, एंड देन इट इज नोन एज आरबीसी. उसको क्या बोलेंगे? आरबीसी. सो आरबीसी हैज सेम काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, बट जब भी बेटा वो बोन मैरो में होगा उसको रेटिकुलोसाइट बोलेंगे, पर जैसे ही वो ब्लड में आ जाएगा इट इज नोन एज द एरिथ्रोसाइट्स और इट इज नोन एज आरबीसी. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द erythropoiesis, where what is hematocytes, what is erythrocytes, okay, what is hematopoiesis, what is erythropoiesis, fetal life में कैसे erythropoiesis होता है, after birth कैसे होता है, और this is the process of erythropoiesis, means the formation of RBC. okay, so beta this is the process of हीमेटोपोइसिस और दी एरिथ्रोपोइसिस। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ आप हमारी ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए और ये कोर्स को परचेस कीजिए। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे।